Has this ever happened to you before? Look at that. The cabinet door is all flaccid. I can't be the only one with this problem. Let's take a look and see what's going on. The cabinet is being held up by this cylinder there, and the cylinder, 280 newtons, just doesn't have any more power. Look at that. Boom. So what I've done is I've ordered up new ones, and we're going to see how to install these new cylinders. First things first, get rid of some things here that would be in the way. And with this particular ones, all you got to do is slide them off from this side. So I'm just going to pull it off like that. And now, if you can pull it off that way, it's like on there with a fork, as you see there. And now, be careful because this has got a lot of weight on it now. Bam. Now, that was the old one. In the old one, you can push down pretty easily. See that, how easy? So we're going to set the old one to the side, and we now need to install the new one. And the new one is way harder to push down. If I try, oh my gosh, I can't get that even down. So now we're going to put this new one in, and I would suggest doing it the same way, starting from the back and pushing it inwards. So all you have to do is put it on there like that. Let's see if I can, there you go, just like that. All right, now that part is on. Now we just have to get that fork into this part. Okay, but here the problem is I can't actually get that up on there. I have to get this fork basically behind that pin right there. All right, so what you have to do now to get this guy, the fork here in behind this pin, is you have to remove this hinge here. I'm gonna see if I can do it again. Okay, so now you can see the door is out of place, and now you can move this to where it needs to go. So I'm gonna put this back behind that pin. Now that's in place, and now I just have to move the door now and put the hinge back, just like that. And now I don't have a flaccid door anymore. Look at that. Bam. Excellent. Alrighty. I hope that this video helped you guys, because this is way nicer now that they actually stay up.